cooking. That means I'm just gonna make grilled cheese kasi, you know, I'm such a cutie chef. Yeah,
So I went out today not knowing there's a Sunny Angel release.
Yeah. Okay, ako na lang pinigil sa'yo.
It's so cute! Hindi kaya to. Ang tagal ko nang hinilig bukas ng Sunny Angel.
Ano masarap dito?
Actually, everything. Hindi ko to do.
Ay, ang cute. That's cute.
Kumukha siya ni Pennywise.
That's cute. Actually, ngayon ako nakita sa ganito. Guys, today we're eating at a... Parang ang ganda ko naman ngayon.
Kasi hindi rin ilaw at.
Okay.
So, maganda.
Di ba pwedeng ko yung maganda? So we're eating at foul bread. Uy, bagong ligo si Nimbus.
Ha?
Bagong ligo yan. Walang nangyari.
Kasi yung tuwalya.
Okay naman. So nag-swimming kami kanina ni Oli. So yung tuwalya niya, after niya maligo, doon nagdi-drip yung swimsuit. So we're eating at foul bread. Si ate yung pumili nung restaurant namin. I got the deluxe fried chicken sandwich without the pickles. And then I got their fries kasi sabi natin masarap daw yung fries. Nagulat ako, kumakain siya ng pickles. Why? The hate. I just don't eat vegetables, that's all. Kaya grocery ako kanina, pero ang ginrocery ko lang is pang s'mores.
Kasi alis kayo.
Hindi, kasi di ba nandun yung inaanak ko. I have this squishy toy na s'mores. Tapos sabi ko, have you ever tried s'mores? Oo. Sabi niya, no, I haven't, Ninang. Can we make it? Eh, hindi namin nagawa. Kasi ate, ito, nagnap ako kanina.
Okay.
Habang binigay ko sa kanya iPad ko, nanood siya YouTube. Sabi ko, mag-iPad ka, YouTube ka, I'm gonna take a nap. Tapos, ginising niya ako. Sabi niya, Ninang, my nose is bleeding. Sabi ko, why? Sabi niya, kasi may malaking kulangot and I picked it. So, nagdudugo yung ilong niya. So, ganun pala yung pakiramdam. Pag may bata.
Well, at least it wasn't like because of the heat.
No. Nakabukas yung aircon. Kaya nagtaka ako naman, bakit dumudugo yung ilong nito? Tapos, di naglilinis ako kanina. Girl, nakita ko yung malaki niyang kulangot. And
Is it a scam?
it wasn't. Para siyang, alam mo yung glue na bilog? Bilog na glue. Yung natirang glue. Ganon. So, pero malaki siya para sa 5-year-old. So yun yung aking afternoon. Pero nakanap ako, siguro mga 30 minutes. Tapos di na ako makabalik sa nap. Anyway, we're gonna eat dinner. And then we're gonna get Jamba Juice. And I might get clothes from Cotonon kasi may cute na clothes. Guys, nasa Jamba Juice kami. Wait, di ako hubad na. I have...
Bawal ba yun?
Hindi, okay lang. Nilalagay ko pag ina-upload ko. Not for kids. Kasi nagmumura ako sa vlog. So, nandito kami sa Jamba Juice ngayon for dessert. Tapos, nagulat kami ni Ate Clara kasi ang daming tao.
Paano yung gulat?
Sabi niya, bakit ang daming tao?
Hintayin lang lang eh. Ay,
Galit!
hindi kasi.
Alam kong hindi to pambata pero sana naman may mananonood na mga magulang. Okay. So, umorder kami ng regular orders namin dito pero kaya pala marami tao kasi may free upsize. So, ito sa kanya strawberry, akin banana. Wild yung kanya. Strawberry, wild. Strawberries, wild. May S. And I got the banana berry. Because he's being such a good boy. Naka-off leash siya ngayon and he's not, malikot. Nimbus, are you okay? Oh, and I also got a pair of pants and 2 tops from Cotton On. And nabudol siya. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday and again, I woke up pretty early. Nagising ako ng mga 5:30 or 5 a.m. Which is okay lang naman kasi I was able to sleep early last night. Early means 11 p.m.-ish. That's early already. My sleep score naman is like 67, so that's higher than the usual. And it says that I got a lot of deep sleep, but it's short. Pero it was a lot of deep sleep. So okay lang. Tapos, bumangon ako at around 6:30 para mag-potty si Nimbus. And now, I was just chatting with my sister. And I am I'm hungry na. What time is it? Gutom na ako, pero at the same time, I don't wanna eat yet. But like, gutom na ako, so I might eat. I have leftovers from, I don't know if I could still eat it. Alam niyo yung roasted ham and cheese sandwich sa Starbucks? I ordered it last Monday, tapos I wasn't able to eat it. Tapos it has been in the fridge for a while now. But I don't know if I could still eat it. But I'm gonna try to eat it. And then, I'll be doing some laundry today because naubusan na ako ng isusuot. Yeah, my body hurts so much from bouldering the other day. So, I might swim today just to stretch. That will be my stretching kasi ayoko talagang mag-stretch. Like, tamad ang mag-stretching. So, I hope that me swimming stretches the muscles that stretches the muscles I pulled from bouldering. Good morning from my new no licking. Good morning from my new I'll go down. Get your toy. Dali, get your toy. No going up. Don't get the toy. Get the toy. Dali na. Get the toy. You wanna play fetch? Play fetch? Okay. Galing akong Green Hills the other day. Doon kami nag-bouldering ni Ate Clara. Tapos, I also wanted to buy towel for Nimbus kasi gusto ko na siyang paliguan. Medyo mabaho na siya. At nakahanap ko ng towel sa Daiso. And I got this earth ball na squeaky toy. Ready? Fetch! And mukha naman na-enjoy niya. Nimbus is not like Blair. Si Blair yung aking golden retriever. Give me. I mean, he fetches. Give the toy. Give. Nagfe-fetch siya. Ayan, nagdadrama na ayaw niya i-fetch. Okay, fine. Hindi na tayo magfe-fetch. But, yeah. Wala din kasi siyang toy dito. I forgot where I placed the unicorn toy for him. Yesterday nilabhan ko yung mga plushies ko. Mga squishmallow ko and ano ba to? Oh, and then the mat for this one kasi nga si Nimbus nung hindi pa siya naliligo. Nakatch ko siya, dito pala siya tumatambay sa couch. So feel ko ang baho na. And medyo madami na rin humiga dito sa couch. At ginamit na pillow yung mga squishmallows ko. Guys, kahapon sa BGC kami ni Ate Clara. Nag-dinner kami. Tapos I saw these coolers. These coolers. Ang ganda. Baka gusto niyo ako ibili, guys. Please. Thank you. I want the, either itong light pink na to with this strap. Gusto mo yun, nagpabili talaga sa inyo. Or this purple and orange one. Or this one pala, the pink and blue no, bubble gum. Oh. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna, what do you call that? I'm gonna heat the food. Wait, ayan yung view nyo. Gonna eat the food. And I'll make coffee. My famous 3-in-1 coffee. Ito guys, oh. Do we think I could still eat this? It doesn't say an expiration date, so does it count? But I'm gonna eat this. Pag nag-LBM ako mamaya, so alam na natin na hindi na siya pwede kainin. I mean, I think that's the way to test it. Hey guys, good morning. It's Glorian here. I'm with my bestie girly. Say your name, beautiful girl.
I'm the beautiful girl.
Asha. Today we have an event at BGC and ano ba? Parang ako kunin blurred. Yan. Saan tayo? We have an event at BGC. May pa-workout po ang The Collective. So thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You guys are experiencing black class later, so it's more of a cardio-centric class. Tapos, we have treadmills, we have light weights upstairs.
So, hindi kayo dito sa baba, sa taas kayo. Tapos, black line.
Na-intimidate na ako dito, pero may iba pa.
Oo, may iba pa. Kaya nyo to.
Kaya ni Asha, si Asha nagbubuhat. Cardio lang ako, girl.
Oo, hindi kaya. Kaya mo yan. I believe in you. Yung weights mo mga ano lang.
Baby weight.
Baby weights.
Kwento ko kay Asha, the other day kasi nag-boulder ako. Sobrang sakit ng likod ko. Tapos nagbubuhatin niyo ako today. This is Bea, Marketing Associates and Events of The Collective. Can you introduce yourself, miss?
Hi, I'm Rihanna. I'm the Collective's Creative Marketing Manager, and we're here today at Bear Manila
my God.
for our branded class. So we're just setting up, but we're so excited. So we have Glorian here and Asha. Paano ba?
Sorry.
Paano ba to?
Sorry po, at paano direct? Ito na po. Okay na? Oh my
Ganun pala yun.
Ang galing nitong babaeng to. Marketing ka
They're
talaga.
going to be, well, our, ano ba? Our samples. Our sample size.
Kami yung minion for
Our
today.
sample size for today. But yeah, we're going to be having a body guasha workshop after the class. So we're just gonna wait for the two of them to finish. Forgot what this is called. The bend. The bend, and then towards your other arm bend. So kunyari, from your wrist.
Oh, tapos na po ang aming workout. Good morning, everyone. I think I haven't spoken sa vlog na to. But, kakatapos lang ng workout namin dito sa, what do you call the Black Room?
So, Bear Manila. and
Bear Manila.
Black class.
We went to Bear
We
Manila. Yeah. And we took their black class, which is a cardio-focused HIIT workout.
Yeah.
An experience. Nakita niyo naman dun sa clips. And now,
My comment is,
what's your comment?
no comment. I don't
Comment
think,
na naman. Lagi na lang no comment.
I don't think I would want to go.
Ako gusto ko. Siguro ganun. May option ka naman na hindi magbuhat na mabigat
Hindi yung body problema ko, yung treadmill. Yung speed.
Oo nga guys. Parang pinapag 13 to 17, 20. Ano yun? May 20 ba?
I don't
19.
know. I don't
19
even know.
speed. And I'm like,
Kaya yung speed.
do you want me to die?
Kung pwede akong nasa 9 lang.
Hey guys, that is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of like a random days of my life in Manila. Again, thank you so much to The Collective for inviting us and for having us experience that workout and the body guasha. If you guys are interested, it's available on their website. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.